आचार्य समंतभद्र स्वामी आप्त मीमांसा देवगम स्तोत्र. Deep reflection on the omniscient Lord. Thoroughly revised second edition. Editor and translator Vijay K. Jain. Divine Blessings, first edition, 2016, Acharya Vidyanand Muni. Second edition, 2025, Acharya Vishuddhasagar Muni.
Ashari Samantabhadra's Aptamimamsa Devagam Stotra. Deep reflection on the omniscient Lord. Aptamimamsa by Ashari Samantabhadra, circa 2nd century CE, starts with a discussion, in a philosophical-cum-logical manner, on the Jaina concept of omniscience and the attributes of the omniscient. The Ashari questions the validity of the attributes that are traditionally associated with a praiseworthy deity, and goes on to establish the logic of accepting the omniscient as the most trustworthy and praiseworthy supreme being. Employing the doctrine of conditional predication, Syadvad, the logical expression of reality in light of the foundational principle of non-absolutism, Anikantvad, he faults certain conceptions based on absolutism. He finally elucidates correct perspectives on issues including fate and human effort, and bondage of meritorious or demeritorious karmas.
The book includes a comprehensive index of Sanskrit terms. Vijay K. Jain, his works on sacred Jaina texts. Shri Amritchandra Suri's Purusharth Siddhi Upay. Acharya Pujyapad Swami Ishtopdesh. Acharya Samantbhadra Swami Swambhu Stotra. Acharya Samantbhadra Swami Ratangran Shravakachar. Acharya Pujyapad Swami Samadhi Tantram. Acharya Kun Swami Pravachan Sar. Acharya Uma Swami Tatvarth Sutra. Acharya Kun Swami Niyam Sar. Acharya Gunbhadra Swami Atmanushasan. Acharya Kun Swami Panchastikay Sangrah. Acharya Samantbhadra Swami Yuktyanushasan. Acharya Samantbhadra Swami Stuti Vidya. Acharya Vishuddhasagar Muni Satyarth Bodh, Know the Truth. Acharya Manikenandi Swami Pariksha Mukh Sutra. Acharya Kun Swami Barasanuvekha. Acharya Pujyapad Swami Bhakti Sangrah. Acharya Kun Swami Samesar. Acharya Muni Nemichandra Swami Dravya Sangrah. Acharya Manatung Swami Bhaktambar Strotra. Acharya Kun Swami Rayansar. Acharya Kumuchandra Swami Kalyan Mandir Stotra. Acharya Devsen Swami Alap Padati. Acharya Vadiraj Swami Eki Bhav Stotra. Acharya Samantbhadra Swami Apt Mimansa Devagam Stotra.
About Vijay K. Jain. Having had his schooling from Mo and Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, Vijay K. Jain, born August 31, 1951, did his graduation in electronics engineering from Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University, and post-graduation in management from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. An independent researcher, Vijay K. Jain is a prominent scholar of Jainism known for his contributions to the study and translation of Jaina texts. He has been involved in editing and translating Jaina scriptures into English, making these profound works accessible to a broader audience. His translations and interpretations aim to provide a clearer understanding of the Jaina doctrine and practices. His translations often include detailed commentaries and explanations to ensure that the nuances of Jaina philosophy are preserved. His edited volumes and translations are highly regarded in academic circles and have been used as reference material in studying Jainism in the global academic landscape. Some of his books adorn the shelves of renowned international libraries, including the University of Oxford, University of Pennsylvania, Harvard University, University of Washington, Northwestern University and Stanford University. Mr. Jain is the proprietor of Vikul Printers, a small, high-end printing and publishing firm, based in Dehradun, India.